I'm preheating. This is both 5. You do have the math. I haven't got my watch. I'm going to get my watch and then we can time it. We have so many chips. I could do the chips in the air fryer. We'll see, we'll see. Is that you helping?
I did the thing.
You did the thing. Okay. Open the stuff up. Not that. What are you doing? Don't pull it in the middle because I'll need some space. So this is 25 minutes and this is 14 minutes. So it's 10. You do. We'll put it in at the 11-minute mark.
Okay.
You look very confused. You okay?
Yeah.
It's your brain on overtime. You'll open it so it's ready.
I tasted it.
You did. You did some stuff.
Right here.
On the top. It's fine if it's not on the foil, it's whatever. There we go. I don't need it. Do you need it?
No.
Just squash it. Yeah. What are you laughing for? Put you in. You're in this. I'm gonna use grape. I keep looking at my watch that I don't have. You okay? You just put the bobas in first. Is there juice in it? Are you doing it underneath the... Yeah, why is it so tough? No!
Yeah, boo.
I'll just give you your glass here.
Okay.
Had some of the juice. It is the time. Yeah, time. Time for the plate. Yeah. Okay, it's way softer than I thought it would be.
After this cheese.
Yeah, but I thought it would be harder. This is your one. How many do you want? This is going to be hot. We can put it all in one and then because we can share it. But I don't trust you. You're the food bandit.
I am.
I know. You take all the food. If it's chocolate, gone.
Yeah.
Pour away, xiao. Use your hand.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yummy. Yummy.
Are you just going to pull it on another plate? Sure, why not?
Itadakimasu. No.
You're going to wrap it in the cheese? So much cheese. Oh, it matches. Yeah, I like cheese. You having fun?